doing something really funny today. Okay, so today I wanted to show you guys how to find paint for free. So, and it's not stealing, that's not the way that I'm planning on doing this, but it is called the Paint Share Program, and it's put on by a company called Product Care Recycling, and it's a website, and you can go on there, and it's for Canada-wide. So in the States there might be something, other parts of the world you might have something as well, but it is places where they accept used paint. They plan to recycle it, but they give the consumer, or you, the choice to go there and pick up this paint and use it for small projects or whatever type of project that you have going on. And so I actually saved $600 on this paint. So essentially, if I would have bought it from the store, it would have cost me $600. Therefore, I got it for free, and I'm doing a renovation for a friend. And right now, I'm just going to show you the color that I created and how it all went on the walls. And yeah, a side note, so when you are mixing the paint, you just want to mix the same paint together. So acrylic latex, or there's oil-based. So yeah, you don't want to be mixing oil and acrylic. You want to just be mixing acrylic latex together. And it doesn't matter if it's like a matte to gloss. It didn't matter for me. I just mixed all the, it was matte and satin finishes. Didn't really have any gloss finishes, so I didn't really have to mix that. Doesn't really matter about that. So yeah, stick around and I will show you guys how it all turned out. And that's our paint. Gives the color right here. I'm nearly gonna get it in the picture.
Oh, okay. You were doing painting, okay.
Yeah, no, look, what do you think? It's gonna dry differently, but it covers really well.
It's I like it.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah, because after you're done, probably a little bit darker when they dry.
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just kind of too long being with those dark green.
Yeah, right? It's so dark. And it makes the store look smaller. And that's coat number 1.